Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and in this tutorial we take a look at the curbside stop manoeuvre for New South Wales C-Class applicants. During the manoeuvres, the learner will be assessed on their ability to position the vehicle legally, safely and accurately. Here are some instructional tips for trainers. Keep it simple and focus on what matters. Don't let yourself be overwhelmed. Be concise. To be concise means be brief but comprehensive. Be clear. To be clear means the instructor doesn't complicate the message. Break the information down into bite-sized pieces. Don't try and achieve too much too soon. Be patient. Progress at the rate the learner can manage. Driver setup. Before performing a manoeuvre, the driver must be correctly set up in the driver's seat. This includes the seat, the steering wheel, and the seat belt. Make sure the student's mirrors are correctly set up before driving and conducting manoeuvres. Observation checks during manoeuvres. During manoeuvres, you must check for other vehicles, pedestrians, and possible hazards. You must turn your head and check your blind spot before you move to the curb to commence the manoeuvre or leave the curb to rejoin the traffic. Parking position. In relation to any parking relating to manoeuvres, you must park close and as near as practical to the curb. The test requires you to be parallel and closer than 500 millimeters to the curb. The wheels must not touch the curb. In relation to any parking, stay at least 1 meter away from other vehicles. The test requires you to be no more than 2 meters from other vehicles when you park. Curb departure technique. Search ahead and behind for hazards using mirrors both inside and outside. Indicate right for at least 5 seconds before moving. Push in the clutch and put the vehicle in first gear for manuals, or place right foot on the brake pedal and select drive for automatic. Note, when driving automatic vehicles, use the right foot for both the brake pedal and the accelerator. Release handbrake/park brake. Check mirrors again and check the right hand blind spot with the head check over the shoulder. When it's safe to move out, release the clutch and accelerate smoothly, quickly and safely into an appropriate gap. Check mirrors again, adjust steering if necessary, and we'll follow the road. Next is the curbside stop. Locate a safe and legal parking space and check appropriate mirrors. Smoothly slow down the vehicle. Position the vehicle appropriately to move towards the curb. Give sufficient notice with the left indicator and check over left shoulder for hazards. Stop the vehicle in a legal and safe position, parallel and close to the curb within 500 meters. Put the vehicle in first gear for manual or park automatic. Put the handbrake, park brake on. Fail items for the C-Class driving test. Disobeying traffic signs, signals, or road markings. Failing to give way when necessary. Colliding with a vehicle, pedestrian, or object. Performing an illegal act or maneuver. Exceeding the speed limit, action requiring testing officer intervention, causing a dangerous situation, failing to maintain proper control of the vehicle, failing to exercise due care to avoid an accident, failing to give way to an emergency vehicle, disobeying directions from a person controlling traffic, frequently not signaling intention, refusing to attempt any part of the test, repeated or deliberate failure to follow directions, unreasonably obstructing other vehicles or pedestrians, receiving external advice or instruction during the test, not parking to the required standard, failing to maintain a safe following distance, frequently not performing observation checks. Thanks for watching. This has been Brendan from Watto Training.